How to add or change payment methods on eBay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for eBay, or you could directly install the eBay application. Next up, log in using your credentials. After that, tap on My eBay section and you will see a list of options. From here, tap on Accounts and under Payment Information, tap on Payments. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where you can add different kinds of payment methods. Tap on Add Cards and Accounts. Choose if it's a checkout account or auctions and offers. Then tap on Continue. This will now take you to another page from where you can choose your credit or debit card, PayPal or Venmo. Choose the option and tap on Continue. Then you have to provide the details such as card number, expiration date, security code, your first name and last name. Make sure all of these details are correct and then tap on Add. And once this is done, you have successfully add or changed the payment method on eBay. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.